Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the new Huawei Band 4. As you can see in the package itself, we have plug and charge, creative watch mode, heart rate, sleep tracking, and 9 different sport modes. Also 55 ATM water resistance. In the package itself we have the watch and we have the paperwork that are necessary for this. We have the warranty card, as you can see right here, which you can fill up, or you have the user manual in plenty of languages, so it's very clear for all of us. You can see the package itself. We have the Band 4, you can see wrapped up for protection and ready to use. So this watch has a very good quality, 2 pins at the bottom and the top, so you can unplug it from the charger and put the bands on again, or the other way, you can see right here like we are doing. So to power this on, you have to put it in the USB charger. This does come with a USB, which is a very good feature I prefer for myself. Also the Honor 5i has the same feature as this. So you can see immediately it starts the watch itself. So this is a very good way and easy way to charge your device, and also the 5i and the Band 4 charges in just 1.5 hours, which is a very good thing. You can see now the bands is back in, you can hear a click and it's very easy to use. Now we have here steps, heart rate in the menu. Next we have sleep, you can see the hours and minutes that you did. Workout, in the workout we have outdoor run, indoor run. We have outdoor walk, indoor cycling, elliptical, rower machine, and free training at the end. We will see all this, how it works. We have more. In more we will find time, stopwatch, faces, find phone, brightness, screen on, battery, and the system at the bottom. Next we have the messages, and we have the first page that you can see. We have time, date, and we have some shortcuts for information like the steps and burn calories that we did. As you can see, we are trying the heart rate method right now. You have the 1 finger method. You can see I have the watch separated from my hand. You can see we have here the result, which is a very fast and very good result. Add the sports that we saw before. Again, as I said, the 1 finger method. Press start, 3-second countdown. And we have here the time at the top, heart rate, kilometers at the bottom of the first screen. We have seconds, pace, and we have steps per kilometer as well. So we have quite a few information for a small watch that the Band 4 is. For myself, these are enough, and for someone maybe that does sports more, these are not enough, so you have plenty of more smartwatches to choose that support sports. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope that you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smartwatch.